Let's talk about the best Tier 3 or expert level cloud security certifications for the year 2022. This is for those who are already working as a cloud security professionals and wants to improve their skills so they can move to another level. Or those individuals who are already working as an IT professionals and want to shift to a more cloud security focused role. Cloud security career is a bit broad, that is why I grouped the certifications into multiple paths. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host, named is Dean Armada, and what is my qualification doing this video again? I have over 60 IT certifications and it keeps growing. I started my career as a programmer, then became a web and Linux administrator, then a network engineer, then a security specialist, then a solutions manager, became a global instructor and traveled the world. Been a hiring manager multiple times, helped thousands of people build their IT careers and helped them move from their poorer countries to the United States, Australia, Canada, UK, and Singapore. I am your career and certification captain, and on this channel, we talk about tech careers and certifications, trivial tutorials in cybersecurity, trivial tutorials in cloud and data center, and my journey as an IT instructor. So feel free to check out the rest of the channel and consider subscribing. First path, cloud computing security. And we only have one. Practical DevSecOps CDA or Certified DevSecOps Architect. And maybe you're thinking this is supposed to be under container security and DevSecOps path, right? Well, there's a certification for that path. This DevSecOps certification is exclusive to AWS. And besides, DevSecOps is really cloud security but uses DevSecOps practices. Practical DevSecOps claims it's the most comprehensive DevSecOps certification in the world. It is designed to implement DevSecOps principles on AWS by securing compute services, patch management, data network security, infrastructure as a code, compliance, and many more. The prerequisite for this exam is Certified DevSecOps Professional or CDP, and it's recommended to be familiar with AWS. It's a 24-hour lab exam, then another 24 hours to create and send exam reports. Second path, cloud security, design, management, and audit. This is a vendor-neutral certifications. We only have one, Certified Cloud Security Professional or CCSP. It's the most popular vendor-neutral certification and the second most valuable certification next to CISSP from ISC Squared. And just like CISSP, CCSP consists of multiple domains such as cloud data security, cloud application security, cloud security operations, and many others. The reason why this is on a higher or expert level is because it requires minimum of 5 years experience in IT, of which 3 years in cybersecurity and 1 year in one or more of the 6 domains. Again, CCSK and CCAK doesn't have any requirements, and CSCO only requires 1 year experience. CCSP is a 3-hour multiple choice written exam with 125 questions. Third path, container security and DevSecOps. We also have only one, Practical DevSecOps CDE or Certified DevSecOps Expert. This is an upgrade of Practical DevSecOps CDP. Practical DevSecOps claims it's the most comprehensive DevSecOps certification in the world. It's designed to write custom rules for operating system hardening, infrastructure as a code, compliance as a code, vulnerability management at scale, container security, and many others. Prerequisite is Certified DevSecOps Professional or CDP, and it is recommended to have a basic understanding in application security practices like CAST, DAST, etc. The price is not so bad. It's only $1,199 and this includes training videos, 60-day lab access, 30-minute session with the instructor, and the actual hands-on lab exam. It's a 24-hour lab exam, then another 24 hours to create and send exam reports. So that is my top expert level cloud security certifications. We only have 3 expert level certifications and 2 of which is from Practical DevSecOps. I know the vendor and the 2 certifications are not that popular yet, but believe me, soon their certifications will be more recognized. Courses are well structured and exams are all hands-on lab. Their certifications have no expirations as well. The format is actually like offensive security. Comment if you have any questions. Hit the like button if you agree with me. Also hit the like button even if you don't.